Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the amazing health benefits of carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of carotenes, particularly beta-carotene. 1 cup of diced carrots. Below are some of the health benefits. Number 1. For diabetes. Number 2. For heart disease. Multiple studies examined the association between high carotene. Number 3. Lower blood cholesterol. High blood cholesterol is a well-known risk. Number 4. For weight loss. As a low-calorie food, carrots can increase fullness and. Number 5. For eye health. Individuals with low vitamin A levels are more likely to experience. Number 6. For cancer, high carotenoid intake has been linked with a 20% decrease in post-selection and storage. Carrots that are deep orange in color contain the most beta-carotene. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe.